Angelina, Jasper, Nacogdoches, Polk, St. Augustine, Trinity, and Tyler. Tornado watch number 582 has been canceled for the following county: Trinity, Texas. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 583, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, southeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forest, or 20 miles south of Rusk, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alto, Wells, Moriel, Sackle, Forest, Douglas, Trolloc, Cushing, Reclaw, Lilbert, Linwood, and Luneville. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas, Cherokee, and Nacogdoches. Tornado